Hello everyone, welcome to the Red Skull Collectible Box Break number 2. We're going to break a box of 2012 Panini Certified Hockey. All hit cards will be mailed in a top loader and shipped in a bubble mailer, no charge. And here's a list of the auction winners. So we have Braden, Panthers, Rangers, Islanders, Lightning, Capitals, Blackhawks, Stars, Wild, Predators, Blues, Flames, Coyotes, and Canucks. We have Greg with a C, Canadians, Kevin, Sabres, Greg with a G, Kings. We have Gene with Sharks and Ducks. We have David, Penguins, Oilers, John, Avalanche, Alain, Senators and Maple Leafs, James, Jets, Dwayne, Red Wings, Darren, Blue Jets, Blue Jackets, Matthew, Flyers, Kenneth, Devils, Williams, Bruins, and Wayne, Hurricanes. Here are some of the auction rules. If the player of the card is featured in a jersey on his former team and a team logo on the card is on his new team, the new team will get the card. All redemptions cards will be sent to the owner and you can redeem it. In cases where the player is not wearing an NHL uniform, the card goes to the team logo on the card. If there isn't a team logo, then it goes to his current team. Any multiplayer card will go to the first team listed on the top of the card, left of the card, or top left. All vintage retro cards will go to their current franchises. For example, Atlanta Thrashers cards go to Winnipeg Jets, and Quebec Nordiques cards go to the Colorado Avalanche. So good luck to everyone, and thanks for participating. And I'll be opening up the first break box. Just to advise you before, we're going to be filling out a raffle for the people that have 2 teams or more, and this is what we'll be raffling out. Oops, sorry, it's upside down. There we go. An awesome Wayne Gretzky card. So we're opening the first pack right now. Oh yeah, sorry about that. So here you'll see the serial number. We have 5 base cards. So we have Thomas Vanek from the Sabres. We have Mike Richards from the Kings. We have Luke Shen from the Maple Leafs. We have Ilya Bryzgalov from the Flyers. And we have Ales Hemsky from the Oilers. And the special card is from Drew Doughty from the Kings.
The serial number? It's in the back.
It's 126 out of 150.
You show the serial number too?
Yes.
Nice card. Cool.
Next pack. We have 4 base cards. We have Andrzej Pavelec from Winnipeg Jets. We have Roberto Luongo from the Canucks. Oh, wow. Pavel Datsyuk from Red Wings. Sam Gagner from the Oilers. And the special card is from Ilya Bryzgalov 6 out of 30.
No.
No?
There's no number on it.
No?
It's masked marbles.
What does it say? 6?
That's the G. G, and that's his shirt number.
Oh.
Yeah, the G looks like a 6.
Oh yeah, it is true. Oops. Sorry about that. Whoops. 5 base cards. Marc-André Fleury from the Penguins. Erik Karlsson from the Senators. Stephen Weiss from the Panthers. Wow.
Jenny Malkin.
Jenny Malkin from the Penguins. Danny Briere from the Flyers. And no special card in that pack. Ooh.
Ooh, nice. We have a redemption card here. I don't know. It's a freshman redemption card, and I don't see any team name on it. Can you show it to the camera?
Yeah.
And it's card number 177. Okay, I'm gonna get the checklist to see if card number 77 is listed there.
So we have 4 base cards. John Tavares from the Islanders. Rick Nash from the Blue Jackets. Derek Brassard from the Blue Jackets. Brendan Morrow from the Stars. Four base cards again. So we have Tim Thomas from the Bruins. Cher Weber from Nashville Predators. Dion Phaneuf from the Maple Leaf. Brad Richards from the Rangers. And we have a Pekka Rinne from Nashville Predators.
Masked marbles.
Masked marbles. 31 out of 199.
Oh, it's not a masked marble.
No. It's a certified.
Oh, it's a red mirror card. Certified mirror card 31 out of 199. Can you show the number? There we go.
Next pack. We'll get it to you.
Yeah, it's card 177. Freshman signatures is Lance Buma. I don't know what team he plays for, so I'll have to check on that.
We have 5 base cards. Mark Stahl from the Rangers. Matt Duchene from the Colorado Avalanche. Patrick Kane from the Blackhawks. Nico Koivu, Wild. Jordan Stahl from the Penguins. And we have a
It's a red mirror jersey card. Dustin Byfuglien.
84 out of 150.
Yeah, Dustin Byfuglien.
For base cards, we have Dark Stepan from the Rangers. Eric Kerr from the Winnipeg Jets. Antti Niemi from the Sharks. Ryan Kessler from the Canucks. And we have in Eternals certified Montreal Canadiens Emile Bouchard.
There's no number on it. Yeah, signature card.
5 base cards. Jordan Eberle, Oilers. Andy McDonald from the Blues. Phil Kessel from the Leafs.
Boo.
Hey. Martin Havlat from the Sharks. And Pekka Rinne from Nashville Predators.
Again.
Yeah, again, him for the weird name.
And the
And we
nice
have
card.
a signature card
Fabrics of the game.
from the Philly Flyers. Chris Pronger, 18 out of 25. Wow.
Make sure the number in the back. I think the number is hard to see. I think it's on this corner. Oops, sorry. Sorry, I'm getting all excited here.
And we have 4 base cards. We have Barrett Jackman from the Blues, Ryan Callahan from the Rangers, wow, Travis Zajac from the Devils, and Claude Giroux from the Flyers. And the special card is Nikolai Khabibulin. Yeah,
It's a throwback threads.
And it doesn't have a special number.
And it's got the Jets logo on it. Yeah, it's got the Jets logo on the back, so this goes to the Jets.
And the last pack.
That's garbage.
And we have 5 base cards. We have Vincent Lecavalier from Lightning. We have Evander Kane from the Jets. Tyler Ennis from the Sabres. Johan Franzen from the Red Wings. And Patrick Marleau from the Sharks.
Okay. So I'm just going to take a quick look at the base cards to make sure we didn't miss anything. So again, these are the hits.
So we have the card from Nikolai
Khabibulin.
Yes, that's him. With the Jets logo on it. We have a signature card from Chris Pronger, 18 out of 25 from the Philly Flyers. Let's see the number on the corner there. We have the Eternal Certified Montreal Canadiens of Emile Bouchard.
Dustin Byfuglien.
Him from Winnipeg Jets. And this was 84 out of 150. And we have Pekka Rinne from the Nashville Predators, 31 out of 99. And we have a
redemption card.
Redemption for freshman signatures.
Yeah, card 177, which is Lance Buma. And I have to find out what team he's on.
Alrighty. And we have Ilya Bryzgalov from the Philly Flyers. And the last one is Drew Doughty from the Kings, 126 out of 150.
Okay.
There we go.
Thanks everybody for playing along. Now we're gonna do the raffle for the Gretzky graded card, and that's for those who bought 2 teams or more, which are Braden, Alain, Jean, and David. Here we go. We got the box here, and here's the team names for Braden.
So we have the Capitals, Rangers, Islanders, Blackhawks, Panthers, we have Lightning, the Stars, Wild, Predators, Blues, the Canucks, the Coyotes, and the Flames. Where the teams are?
Penguins and Oilers is David.
So, David's teams, Penguins, and Oilers, Alain, Maple Leafs,
And the Senators.
And the Senators, and Jean, sorry about that, Jean, Sharks, and the Ducks.
Okay, so close the box, give it a good shake. And the first one out wins the Gretzky graded card. So you're going to pull it out. Here you go. Take out just one. We don't want a controversy here.
I'll try.
And the winner is?
Blackhawks. Braden.
There you go. Braden gets a Gretzky card.
Congrats.
And, oh, by the way, Lance Buma belongs to the Calgary Flames. So the Calgary Flames is for Braden. Braden gets the freshman signature redemption card. Congratulations, Braden. Thanks everybody for participating. And I hope you'll be back for box break number 3.
Thank you.
Thank you.